brains, boxes, and bots. Can AI ever know what it says? Hello, everyone. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming our relationship with knowledge. We increasingly rely on tools like ChatGPT to write, learn, translate, and even engage in philosophical discussions. But here's a fundamental question. Does ChatGPT truly understand what it says? We've all experienced moments when an AI-generated response feels so fluent and well-structured that it almost seems like it's thinking. Yet, in reality, it's just a statistical model predicting the most probable words in a sequence. So, is it producing real knowledge, or is it merely an illusion as a language? To explore this, we'll examine three key perspectives. 1. Epistemology. Does ChatGPT generate true knowledge? 2. Ontology. Can we talk about intelligence or even consciousness? 3. Ethics. What challenges do these AI systems pose in our society? #I. The illusion of knowledge. Does ChatGPT understand what it says? Let's start with a fundamental question. What is knowledge? Traditionally, knowledge is considered to be contextualized, understood, and justified information. Humans acquire knowledge by making connections, integrating concepts into lived experiences, and critically evaluating information. ChatGPT, however, works differently. It does not know, it predicts. It does not understand. It anticipates the most statistically likely response based on vast datasets. For example, if I ask ChatGPT to explain Einstein's theory of relativity, it will generate a well-structured and accurate response. But if I pose a truly novel question requiring deep comprehension, it may struggle. Why? Because it doesn't think. It simulates rational thought without actually producing it. This idea is well illustrated by philosopher John Searle's Chinese room thought experiment. Imagine a person locked in a room, receiving Chinese characters and following a manual that tells them how to respond. To an outsider, it seems like they understand Chinese, but in reality, they are just applying mechanical rules without grasping the meaning. This is exactly what ChatGPT does. It imitates understanding without possessing it. So, can we say it generates real knowledge? No, because it doesn't construct it, it regurgitates patterns. #2. Is ChatGPT intelligent? If ChatGPT doesn't truly understand, can we at least consider intelligent? That depends on how we define intelligence. If intelligence is simply the ability to generate appropriate responses in context, then ChatGPT might appear intelligent. It produces well-structured text, organizes arguments, and even mimics different writing styles. But if intelligence means reasoning, learning from experience, and understanding the world in an embodied way, then ChatGPT falls short. Philosopher Hubert Dreyfus argued that human intelligence is not just about applying logical rules. It also relies on experience, intuition, and interaction with the real world. ChatGPT lacks all of these. And what about consciousness? Could an AI like ChatGPT eventually become self-aware? For now, the answer is a clear no. ChatGPT doesn't perceive the world, doesn't reflect on itself, and isn't even aware that it's generating text. It has no subjective experience whatsoever. Some researchers speculate that future AI models could develop more advanced forms of contextual understanding, but whether they will ever possess true intelligence or consciousness remains an open question. #3. Ethical challenges. Between fascination and dependency beyond philosophical debates, these AI systems raise real-world ethical issues. First, the issue of responsibility. If ChatGPT spreads misinformation or bias, who is accountable? The AI itself? Its developers? The users who trust its answers? Second, reliability of information. In education and research, AI-generated content can appear highly authoritative but still contain errors. This creates a major risk, the illusion of expertise. When a text is well written, we naturally tend to trust it. But what if it's wrong? If we become unable to distinguish truth from falsehood, how do we maintain critical thinking? Finally, there's the issue of dependency. The more we rely on AI, the more we risk outsourcing essential cognitive functions, writing, organizing ideas, even thinking itself. How much are we willing to delegate to machines? The solution? Critical oversight. AI should be a tool to assist, not a replacement for human reasoning. We must remain the ones who judge, analyze, and interpret knowledge. Hashtag conclusion. So, what can we take away from all this? ChatGPT is a powerful but limited tool. It imitates intelligence without possessing it, and it simulates knowledge without understanding it. It forces us to rethink fundamental questions about language, knowledge, and truth. But the question remains open. Will AI always be just an illusionist of language, or could it one day truly understand what it says? Thank you for your attention.